Unveiling of the in vitro effects of gefitinib and paclitaxel-loaded cockle shells-derived CaCO3 nanoparticles on breast cancer cell lines. By Chemiller S. and MD Jhuki bin Abu Bakr Zakaria. This book introduces the readers to the newly synthesized gefitinib, GEF, and paclitaxel, PTXL, drug-loaded calcium carbonate nanoparticles, CSCaCO3-NP, utilizing the blood cockle shell, Andhra granosa, waste, resulting in GEFC-SCaCO3-NP, PTXLC-SCaCO3-NP, and dual drug-loaded GEF-PTXLC-SCaCO3-NP. This book focuses on revealing the biological characterization of the nanoparticles in breast cancer cell lines, MCF7 and ER+ cell line, and SKBR3 and EGFR+ cell line. The books also throw light on how these nanoparticles behave with human mammary epithelial cells, HMEC, and how these nanoparticles are non-toxic. The relationship between the drugs determined using XTT and resaturin reduction assay showed synergism. Colonogenic assays against MCF7 and SKBR3 cell lines resulted in 0% colonies after treatment with PTXLC-SCaCO3-NP and GEF-PTXLC-SCaCO3-NP, whereas at IC50 concentrations, GEFC-SCaCO3-NP treated group had persisting colonies. MCF7 uptake of the FIT-C-tagged CSCaCO3-NP was studied. Electron microscopic examinations showed that the MCF7 cells had undergone apoptotic changes and showed characteristic changes like autophagosms and thicker microfilament bundles, respectively, for GEFC-SCaCO3-NP and PTXLC-SCaCO3-NP treatments, which were concurrent with the beta-tubulin stabilization in MCF7 and SKBR3 cells, detected using immunofluorescence. Final investigations revealed that GEF-PTXLC-SCaCO3-NP was very effective in upregulating the apoptotic markers caspase-3 and BAX in the MCF7 cell line. GEF-PTXLC-SCaCO3-NP against MCF7 showed synergistic inhibition of EGFR2 at Y1248 similar to EGFR at Y1173. In contrast, only the pure drug GEF had lower levels of PTYR1068 of EGFR, whereas the drug-loaded nanoparticles had lower inhibition of phosphorylation. In conclusion, the properties of GEFC-SCaCO3-NP, PTXLC-SCaCO3-NP, and GEF-PTXLC-SCaCO3-NP prove that they deliver the payload. And GEF-PTXLC-SCaCO3-NP has a high potential, possessing synergistic characteristics that will be a boost in certain breast cancer management. This book contains valuable information on cutting-edge research on nanomaterials and will be suitable for students, researchers, and academicians. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.